Hey guys, it's Lexi Fruit with me here, and today we are going to be talking about hair products. So I have very thin hair, and I will literally buy oil and put it in my hair, and it looks to the point where I have wet hair all day because the oil is just weighing my hair down, and it's so ugly. But anyways, so my hair used to be kind of really short. I cut it recently and my hair is kind of really fine, so it doesn't have this thick amazing texture like some of my friends out there. For all the ladies out there that have thin hair and they want to help it grow strong and healthy and it's blonde, I highly suggest these products. So the two products I'm going to be talking to you about is this thing called Malibu. Malibu Blondes is honestly such an amazing product, and I'm sorry but my hand is super wet because of this freaking bottle because it was in my caddy for college. And anywho, just to get really quick with this, Malibu products are so great because they're vegan and they're cruelty free. So for all those people out there that don't like to use products that have animal cruelty in them, this is the way to go. So for me, they have blonde shampoo that's specifically only for blondes, but they have other products. For instance, the reason why I love this product is because, first of all, it smells so good. It smells so fresh. It doesn't weigh my hair down. Whenever I wash my hair, I get it clean and it doesn't make it all heavy and stuff. I just washed my hair today, so it's looking good. I'll just read you what's on the back. So basically, it says it's 100% vegan ingredients, transform natural blonde, bleached, and
highlighted hair from dull to dazzling. This exclusive formula eliminates brassy, ashy tones while infusing moisture, binding vitamins for silky, sexy, healthier looking hair.
So this is kind of it's really like hair food. Hair food. You know, there's a product actually called hair food, but this is not hair food. But I really like it because it doesn't weigh your hair down. And it also gets the yellow tones out of my hair. I don't know if I have a picture that I could show you, but I'll put it in now. So that was my hair whenever it was kind of yellow, and now it's starting to get very white toned and not so yellow. I like to get out the yellow tones out of it. I hate yellow hair. That's just a preference. Some people look great, but sometimes I'm not me. I always roast my mom whenever she does my hair, and I'm like, Mom, it's still yellow. I look like someone peed on my face. So some people do ask if I use hair oils, and hair oils are very heavy, so I don't like using a lot of hair oils. But one that I really like is Chi, and Chi, it's argan oil with moringa oil, and it's just a really soft, smells really good oil. But I use literally the tiniest amount. When I tell you tiny, I put it on my fingers and it's a dime, maybe less, because if I use too much my hair will be so oily. Literally, I was blow drying my hair one time, and I was blow drying it and I was like, what the heck, why isn't it drying? And then I realized it was so oily that it was forever wet. So this oil is really good, but very small amounts. So I just want to make this quick video, not complex, just to talk about these two products real quick. But as I said, Malibu Blondes, so amazing, cruelty free, and Chi argan oil, also so amazing. Shampoo, conditioner, love them. They're actually, I don't think I mentioned, but it actually comes out purple, so I'll show you. So yeah, so the conditioner is the same way, and yeah, so pretty much those are the products that I wanted to review today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys have a great day, and bye! On some products, and the products I am going to be talking to you is